Doctors, nurses, pharmacists, planning to work in Dubai? Then the DHA exam is your golden ticket.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's white and just make the call.
What is DHA and who needs it? The DHA exam run by Dubai Health Authority is a licensing exam you must pass to work as a healthcare professional in Dubai. Doctors, nurses, dentists, pharmacists, lab technicians. It's a computer-based MCQ test conducted at Prometric centers. And yes, you can take it from India. Official pattern and passing criteria. 150 plus MCQs on average. Duration is for 2 to 3 hours. The passing score is 60% minimum. The test is closed book and timed. You must manage speed and accuracy. The results are published on your Sharian account in about 3 to 5 working days. Pass or fail only. No percentile. Eligibility and documents. To even book the test, you must create a Sharian account on DHA portal, upload degree, transcripts, internship and experience certificates. You can provide a good standing certificate from your home country council. It can be from NCI, INC, PCI, etc. Complete the primary source verification data flow. DHA verifies your credentials directly from your college or university. Pay PSV and exam fee. Pro tip: missing documents equal application rejection outright. Fees and cost breakdown. Fees vary slightly by profession, so always check the latest DHA portal before paying. Doctors and dentists are usually required to pay the highest exam fee, while lab techs and nurses pay the slightly less fee. But data flow cost remains the same for everybody. Retakes and validity. If you fail, you can reapply after a waiting period of 30 to 90 days depending on the role. DHA allows 3 to 4 attempts max. After that, you may be barred for 2 years. Once you pass, you get an eligibility letter valid for 1 year. During this time, secure a job in Dubai. Once hired, you will convert it into a DHA license. Clearing DHA means you can apply for healthcare jobs in Dubai's public and private hospitals. Think Dubai Health Authority facilities, Mediclinic, Aster, NMC. Indian MBBS doctors, BSc nurses, dentists and pharmacists are in huge demand, especially in primary care, emergency medicine and nursing roles. Salaries are competitive and tax-free. Preparation strategy. Study smart, not just hard. Get DHA syllabus for your profession, which is available on Sharian portal. Solve Prometric style MCQs under timed conditions. Revise high-weight topics like internal medicine, surgery, pharmacology, ethics. Use 4 to 6 weeks for revision if you are experienced, but longer if fresh graduate. Work on UAE healthcare laws and medical ethics. They are very much tested. Common mistakes to avoid. Most rejections happen because of missing experience letters, name mismatch in documents, submitting fake or unverifiable credentials. Remember, PSV is strict. Only submit the genuine documents, Indian context and exam centers. Good news, you don't need to fly to Dubai to take the test. Prometric centers are available across India. In Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kochi and Chennai. Here is your DHA journey at glance. Application, PSV verification, Prometric test, result, eligibility letter, job offer, license activation. Book your free counseling today and make the right move. Planning to study abroad but confused about SOPs, LORs, courses or visas? No worries. Shiksha's expert counselors offer free guidance for everything. Message us on WhatsApp now at 8130132440 and let's get you started.